Hi, I'm Ian Riñon, an independent alternative media practitioner among other things. And I'm doing this video because this is probably going to be one of the final times, if not the last time, that I might be in this place. Hindi ko pa nasasabi sa inyong lahat, mga kababayan, na Kapiyan sa Bukid, near Vermosa, uh, is in its final days as of this recording. Baka pag-upload ko nito wala na ang kapihan kasi sabi sa akin ng mga nagtitinda dito, araw na lang ang hinihintay bago maggiba yung may-ari nung lote nito. Kasi for some reason nabili na ng may bumili na sa lupa na to, and this is gonna be developed as something. So hindi ko lang alam. Perhaps yung susunod na may-ari nito, gawing cycling hub din to, katulad ng nangyayari ngayon, or katulad ng current na status niya ngayon. But we will never know. Well, yung part na yan, ginigiba na yung mga puno dyan. But this part, yung bukana sa harapan, it's still around, but it's on borrowed time, as in konting-konti na lang mawawala na to. So the reason why I'm recording this is to let everyone know na araw na lang ang hinihintay ng mga nagtitinda at nag-ano dito, yung nakatira dito. And that's it. Kumbaga, ito, wala nang ganito na malapit sa Intrepid HQ. And I was reflecting on that kasi kahit sa Vermosa wala na rin masyadong recreational stuff doon, bukod sa cycling, sa pagbabike sa loob. Yung trail doon wala na. Yung kumbaga may bayad na yung paglangoy tsaka yung pagtakbo, unless yung doon sa mismong daan, that's still free. Pero yun nga, it kind of gave me an insight na perhaps it's been so long that it's been so long that I have stayed in one place, and now that everything's gonna be gone soon, there's nowhere to go but elsewhere. So sorry, naging philosophical pa to, tsaka naging whatever, pero I guess that's the truth. That's actually the truth kasi talagang wala rin tayong magagawa. The only thing that is constant is change. Everything is temporary. Even our lives are temporary. Tempus. It basically means it has its time. It has its time limit, ganyan. And I'll miss this place. I'll definitely miss this place kasi marami na rin akong mga mga alaala na nabuo dito, and I guess this is the best that this is the least that I can do to remember this place, to put it out there na minsan nagkaroon ng kapihan dito sa bukid, at ngayong pawala na siya. I'm not sure if there's anywhere to go. So, ayun. That's all that I wanted to tell you at this point, and I just wanted to give a huge shout out to everyone who visited this place. At mas lalong lalo na yung mga nagtitinda dito ng pagkain, tsaka yung paalis na landlord dito, yung si tatay na binuksan tong lugar na to para sa mga siklista at para sa lahat na rin actually. And as a sign of gratitude, I am uploading this video to let you know na it's been a good run. So where to from here, hindi ko alam, but para sa mga tumatambay dito, kita-kits na lang sa daan. We'll see you on the road. So yun, with all that said, this is Intrepid Ian Reñon, reminding you to at all times be the salt of the earth and the light of the world. Until then, look alive, stay alive, be kind to yourself and to each other, and as always, thank you for watching. From here in Capian sa Bukid for seemingly the last time, for the final time, ride safe and see you elsewhere. Ian out.